Hello, how's it going? My name's Macaulay, this is Nicole Dhubhshláine, and we've just recently released our new album, Macaulay, which is now available in Custies and available online at Custies as well. We'll play the first track off the album, 3 tunes, 2 jigs and a reel, the Man in the Bog, the Girl in the Big House and the Torn Jacket.
Sorry.
Take your time.
Flute doesn't like to call
Lovely. Okay, sin ceol galanta. Now, dinne guiste as an túsgurt, dinne las an deskurt. Condas céim cuí a hánig an berta go le chéile.
Nicole. Well, is a chláiste. Tí an Bert going to UCC studier ceol agus búla mar le chéile an son, so
lovely.
That's number trying to chéile an son.
Okay, great. And again, you're from
Donegal, yeah, outside Letterkenny.
Letterkenny, okay. And what kind of influence your music? What characters up there?
I suppose I've been taught mainly by Paul Harrigan, Martin McGinley as well, but mainly Paul and Paul's sister Roisin Rory as well.
Right, now Paul is a piano accordion player, but latterly or recently he had a pipes album out.
Yeah, Paul's Paul says his main instrument is piano box, but he's also a piper as well.
Sure. Yeah, he's one of the few
also
pipers
plays,
from that area of the country now.
Yeah, and he's one of the few people that sort of push teaching the pipes as well. You know, there's a lot of kids up and coming now that have started playing the pipes because of him, because he teaches them in the schools and everything as well.
But there's no major historical.
No, as far as I'm aware, there's one or two.
All right.
And I suppose Keegan McKee as well would be up there with the influence as well up there, and Marsh Bradley as well as
lovely
around as well. So there's there's a bit there.
Yeah. And what convinced you to go from Donegal way down to Cork? Was it the course here that was available?
Yeah. Well, when you think about where you're going to study music, there's not that many options here. So and there's a surprising amount of people from home who've gone to UCC. Paul's wife, well, I mean, she's from Limerick, but in Ivrian.
Right. Okay. And she did her degree down there.
Adele McLaughlin, Marie McTague, Tara Conahan. You know.
Yeah. Oh, lovely. Yeah, we know Tara. She spent a bit of time here.
Yeah. Exactly. She lived at the road here.
Yeah. Now, Nicole, you come from I suppose, on Counters Deshes, the theatre shop, Doon Queen. Is that where you're from?
Yeah, between Ballyferter and Dunphy.
Oh, beautiful. So. Okay, so you're a polka and slide merchant, are you?
Yeah, I suppose I would be.
Yeah, and there was a lovely richness of musician down there and teachers, I suppose, because of that. So
there's loads. I suppose the Begleys would have loads of an big impact down there, and even where Nicole was down there as well, and I was taught by Aoife Granville mostly.
Aoife and Deirdre, her sister, and harp, wasn't it?
As well, yeah.
Lovely. So there was no shortage. But I mean, you would have learned. You're a kind of a tune merchant in a session environment. That's where you learned your music, wasn't it? Really?
Yeah, I suppose I would have joined the musicians a lot in their gigs and their sessions and stuff around the town. So ever since I was about 11 or 12, so I checked a lot of tunes that way as well by picking them up off them.
Yeah, I always think that it's probably with Ennis. It's probably one of the most organically nice areas to play music and.
Yeah, it reminds me a lot of home here as well.
Yeah.
There's music everywhere and it's a lovely town.
Lovely. Okay, so you're here for the November Tradfest 2019, and unfortunately you didn't get a chance to launch this year.
No, not
so
this year.
Who's the business head of the two of you here?
I Colin Broderick I got onto because Colin would be friendly with Blackie, and I got onto Colin, but Colin didn't get round to saying anything until a week after. And by that stage, I finally got a number for him from Blackie, and Blackie said you're about a day late. So
all right, okay.
Always next year.
So you're blaming Colin?
Yeah, I'm blaming Colin. That's the easiest thing to do.
No, he's a nice young piper. We know him from around here.
Brilliant.
And recently he came by a nice set of pipes. And from whom?
He's got Liam O'Flynn's old set of pipes now. That's the old Rowsome set.
Wow.
So it's our album's actually, I think it's the first recording of those pipes, commercial recording of those pipes since Liam Flynn died.
Brilliant. So apart from your own expertise, reason enough to buy it because Liam's pipes continue into the next generation.
Yeah, and I think we're between two chanters in that album because the O'Flynn chanter was giving him a bit of hassle at the time, but it's still on there.
Okay, that's great. Listen, I'm glad you persevered because it's been busy here, and I'm really glad to have met you. And
thanks for having us.
Okay, go to Mila Mahagov.
Okay,
Slán go fóill.